Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello. I know it's been a while.
I know.
I haven't posted a long form YouTube video in such a long time. Honestly, I've been doing a lot in my personal life. I've moved. If you notice, there's a new background behind me. The brick wall is honestly so cute as a background. I moved into an older townhouse. It has a lot of character in it. It's honestly like super cute. I can't wait to show it to you guys. I want to do like a couple of baking videos in my new kitchen as well after I'm done decorating it and stuff. Still working on some decorations and some final pieces in the house, and now you can hear my dog squeaking his toy. Of course, he did that at this moment. Today we have another MAC video. MAC sent me their new glossy lip liners. I haven't tried them at all yet, so this is going to be a first impression try on of these new MAC lip liners. I'm going to swatch them all for you guys as well. Ooh, the packaging is really cute. Not gonna lie, I did open this before I showed it to you guys because they did send an air tag that came with one of the lip liners. Really cool marketing. Basically, it was like put like the air tag on your lip liner to never lose it again, and I thought that was so clever and so cool. I did end up using the air tag for my car though, because I don't have underground parking anymore because I live in a townhouse now. I have to park on the street, and I live in a city that's known for car theft, so I was like, maybe it'll be a good idea to keep the air tag in my car. The one outside of the package is Whirlin. So this is the glossy version of the MAC lip liner Whirl, which by the way, I'm wearing the regular Whirl on my lips right now. Whirl is one of my go-to lip liners from MAC. It's literally this beautiful pinky nude shade that I think looks gorgeous on all skin tones, especially if you have a tan like myself right now. I'm intrigued by the formula though. Like, a glossy lip liner doesn't really sound like something that I would necessarily gravitate towards. I feel like when you put a lip liner on, you want it to be like matte and not move around and not budge. And I feel the gloss formula is always going to move around. It's not going to stay in place. So curious. I'm gonna swatch it on the back of my hand. Yeah, I have a lot of tattoos on this one. I feel like this is a bad idea to swatch it here. Let's do it on this one. A really creamy formula. Don't know if you guys can see it clearly on the back of my hand, but it's this line that I just made over here. Formula is definitely giving glossy. It's really creamy. I kind of want to remove my lip combo right now and just do a lip combo with this Whirlin lip liner from the new MAC glossy lip glazers. I'm gonna like smudge it just to see if it's gonna move around or budge or anything, because it's a lip liner after all. Like, I don't want it to be moving around. Oop, yeah, that smudge completely moved it around. Yeah, it's barely there now. You know what? The formula of these reminds me of the Hailey Bieber lip liners from Rhode. They were really creamy in a way where they're meant to be like a lip contour to like contour around your lips and not necessarily wear as a lip liner that's not gonna move, more so like just smudge it around your lips. So maybe the purpose of these new MAC lip liners is kind of the same to the Rhode one. I literally grabbed this bright pink one because of the packaging. I never ever go for this color as a lip liner, so I really want to swatch this. This shade is called Candy Yum Yum. Obviously it was Candy Yum Yum, duh. Okay, let's see how this will apply. Okay, yeah, it's definitely that bubblegum pink, Nicki Minaj bright Candy Yum Yum pink color. Not my kind of color, but if you wear a bolder, brighter lip, you might want to grab this. Again, I don't know how I feel about the formula because it is really creamy. Now we're gonna swatch Velvet Teddy. Velvet Teddy is one of my favorite OG MAC lipstick. I remember back in the day in like 2015, 2016, I used to always wear Velvet Teddy to school. I was in high school at the time, and I would always get yelled at by the teachers to like stop wearing lipstick, but Velvet Teddy is such a natural lip color. I'm like, how the fuck were you able to see my lipstick anyways? Velvet Teddy. Ooh, really pretty. I really like the color, but I just don't know if I'm gonna be grabbing these on a daily because I don't like my lip to budge, and at the same time, kind of lips that I usually go for. My full lip combo right now is a MAC lip combo. I'm wearing a mixture of Whirl and Spice lip liners from the original formula that don't really move around. Then the lipstick that I have on is MAC Locked Kiss Ink in the shade Mischief, which is my everyday lipstick, and it's the liquid lipstick that does not budge around. Now we have Marrakesh. Marrakesh has always been like more of a warmer toned nude. Not really my kind of color, but I know a lot of people that rock this color. It's a little bit darker than the Velvet Teddy and Whirl too, more of a reddish tone. Kind of like a terracotta color. Lady Danger, bright red, same as the lipstick that has the same name. It's not giving as bright as I expected though, so these are definitely more on the less pigmented side. I feel like you could definitely layer it it over and over again, but because the formula is so creamy, smudgeable, it's not giving the most pigment that it could be giving. Now we have Night Moth. By the way, I just was reading what's written on the packaging, and it basically says, we heard your gloss could use a partner in shine, so we're giving you first access to our new glossy gel lip liner that lines, fills, visibly volumizes, and shines. So the purpose of these is to like pair with lip gloss pretty much, but again, I think because lip gloss is such a not long-lasting formula, it pairs better with more long-lasting lip liners that are not easy to remove. Let's try Night Moth. Pretty. I feel like I used to have the OG Night Moth lipstick too when I was younger. Who am I kidding? I literally have every single MAC lipstick because they did send them all to me at some point. So I do still have it, but I just never go for it. Yeah, Night Moth is this really pretty burgundy shade. I like this color a lot, just not on my lips. I like it on other people. And then the last one we have is Root for Me. I don't know why I thought this was gonna be like another version of Cork, but this is not Cork. This is a different shade of brown. I've never tried the lipstick that has the same name as this or any of the OG lip liners that might have had the same name as this. Intrigue. Okay, yeah, it is literally a brown. It's a nice brown. I think this would be a color that I would go for contouring my lips, but not necessarily as a lip liner for my personal preferences. But I could see this being such a beautiful lip liner color if you like this kind of formula on more deeper skin tones. Okay, you guys, final verdict. I don't think these are for me. I will not be grabbing any of these on my daily. I might grab one to try it on my lips at some point. I know I said at the start of this video that I'm gonna remove my lip combo and try one of them, but after swatching them all on my hand, I don't think I want to do that right now. So maybe someday I'll try one on my lips, but not at the moment. If you like a creamier, more smudgeable lip combo that you could use to like, sorry, lip liner, not lip combo, that you could use to line your lips and then like smudge and contour, or like play with multiple colors and smudge them all together, then you might like these. Personally, they're just not for me. And this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please let me know what you think of these in the comment section down below if you've tried that. I'd love to hear your guys' opinions, and thumbs up this video if you didn't already. Subscribe to my channel because what are you doing not being a subscriber? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!